Today we will create this countdown effect completely with geometry node on our channel Think Sci-Fi. Select the cube, then go to the geometry node, click new and delete group input. Add value to string node by pressing Shift A. Connect it with group output. Move the mouse cursor to the 3D viewport and press 7 for top view. Then make some space. Add string to curve in between. If you increase the decimal value, number after decimal will increase, and if you increase the value, the countdown will start. We have to add fill curve to fill the number. Bring the number to the center by selecting center and middle in the string to curve node. Add value node and connect it with value in value to string node. Add to math node between value and value to string node. Connect to the second value socket of second math node. Add clamp node between math and value to string node. Now add a timeline. And press hashtag frame in the value node. Then you have to select the values according to your frame rate and animation. I am selecting 24 in the first math node because my frame rate is 24 and I want an animation of 10 to 0 and 10 in the second math node and clamp maximum. Then select divide in first math node and subtract in second math node. This will make a 10 to 0 countdown animation. Every second the number will get changed. And if you want to make a 25 to 0 countdown animation, then add 25 in second math node and 25 in clamp maximum and 10 in first math node. If it is too fast, then play with the values and timeline strength and increase the timeline if required. You can change the font also. Now it's time to add some material. Go to the shading tab and add mix shader between. Add emission shader and connect it with mix shader. Change the color to blue or whatever you want. Add color wrap and connect it with base color. Add mix RGB and connect it with color wrap. Add two shader, noise texture and Voronoi texture and connect it with mix RGB. Select noise texture and click Ctrl T and connect object of texture coordinate to mapping. Select the fourth option in Voronoi texture. Go to the render view and make the world completely black. Increase the scale of Voronoi texture. Play with the color in color wrap, then add one more color wrap and connect it with mix shader factor and also with mix RGB. Invert the color wrap and play with the color wrap values. No changes are occurring because we haven't set any material in geometry node. So go to the geometry node and add set material between fill curve and group output and select material on it. Now go to the render view and you will see the changes. Go to the setting tab and make changes if required. Come back to the layout and press 7 for top view. Then press Ctrl Alt 0. This will set your camera on the view. Now reduce the focal length according to you. I am selecting 35 here and adjusting the Z location of camera. Go to the scene setting and activate all the 4 options. Then go to color management and select high contrast in look. Save it as a video. Go to the render setting and select your location. Then select FFmpeg in file format and MPEG4. Select output quality according to your computer. Then render animation. If you want 10 to 0 countdown animation, then follow these settings. And if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.